Oh, thank goodness, it's really good. Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel. I was just preparing. Sorry, I thought it was a bug. I am making bean burgers, so it's going to be another plant-based meal. I have a bowl of avocado oil, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Swish them around to cover them. Toss them on a baking sheet and put them in the convection oven at 380 for probably like, 25-30 minutes. Those are nicely covered. I'm gonna get these in the oven and then I'll get started on the black bean burger. I'm working with the vegetables that I had on hand, which just happened to be an onion and a carrot. I do need to create some kind of paste so it will bind together since I'm not gonna be using eggs. So onion, I'm gonna put in a pinch of salt. And onion. I like to season every portion of a meal, so I'm going to put in chili powder, garlic powder. I want to keep the seasonings on this thing pretty basic. And cumin. Brush down the sides. Speed 9 on my blender. Now I'm going to get started on the beans themselves. And I'm just going to chop away at this. That took 3 to 4 minutes. And it's a good start. Before I move on, I'm just going to add the leftover seasoned oil from the French fries. So to the beans, I'm going to add same seasonings we've been using this whole time. The chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, and a little bit of salt. Tapioca starch to help bind it together. I'm going to add my mixture. I'm going to add a little bit of filtered water to the mix because I don't want it to be too crummy. Here's what it's looking like now. Whole grain bread as well. And I feel like this will also give it a little bit of a meaty texture. For the first time ever, I'm going to be trying this plant-based cheese as well. So these are mozzarella shreds from BioLife. They have mozzarella flavor in here. They say it's vegan sources, and I know I don't like natural flavors, but when you're doing something like a fake cheese, I mean, you have to add natural flavor. I'm gonna put in a little bit of mustard, and because I passed it in the fridge, a little bit of Sriracha. Last thing I'm gonna add to this is going to be some almond flour. I think this is a consistency that I can form into a patty. I'm gonna wash my hands again, just because I feel like I need to right before actually touching food and like working my hands into them. And I'm gonna leave my hands wet because that's what you wanna do when you're forming a patty. Otherwise, everything sticks to your hands even more. Oh. Okay. That was pretty easy. Here we go. 10 parts. And here's what they're looking like now. The fries are ready. Nick really wanted to try one.
I like it. I want more.
Okay. Fries are big. They taste good. I'm gonna go put some Gouda on the burgers, plant-based again, and then leave them in for another 2 minutes, and they should be out in a couple of minutes, and I'll be back. It's been about 15 minutes. I don't know how melted this cheese gets, so I think this is good enough. I'm just going to dress it with some tomato, hot sauce, some avocado, some lettuce, some pickle, and some fries. I've never had a bean burger before, so nothing to compare it to. It smells like bean. Oh, thank goodness, it's really good. It's a strong enough patty and an excellent substitute if you don't want to eat meat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Have a good one.